Network error Windows cannot access message in Windows 11 and Windows 10 indicates that there is an issue preventing your computer from accessing a network resource or location. Some common causes for this error are network permissions. Check the permissions for the shared resource or folder you are trying to access. Ensure that your user account has the necessary permissions to read or write to that location. First, locate the drive or folder that you want to share. Right-click the folder. Select Properties. Open the Sharing tab. Click on Share. Select your username and press Share. Select if you want to share it on a public or private network. I'll select Private Network. Press Done. Now click on an Advanced Sharing. Select Share this folder. Click on Permissions. Select Everyone. Check Allow Full Control. Press Apply and then OK. Press Apply and then OK again. Close the window and your problem should be fixed.